everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So I am doing another layout with this Auburn Lane kit. It is absolutely beautiful. I still have lots of things left over. I can still make more pages. I anticipate making some more this year, but I may need to, take a break and try something different so I don't get burned out on it. So I love this houndstooth paper. It is a little busy. My camera has a hard time focusing because it is so busy, but I only wanted to use part of it because it is. So I needed to trim up some black cardstock. I wanted it at an angle. I just picked any angle. I didn't really have anything to go by. I just knew that I wanted just something. I knew I didn't want exactly, half and half. So that's why I cut it the way I did. It really wouldn't have mattered. Now, the houndstooth, I don't believe is part of the Auburn Lane kit. I mean, the collection. And I'm not even sure if this trim is. It is, they're little white leaves. It's as you can tell, it's a strand of leaves. I like it because of the contrast on the black. It is, it's very striking. And I wanted to have something a little unique from the rest of the pages. I haven't used this on any of the other pages so far. I have quite a bit of this too, so I need to get cracking on it. So I'm using the art glitter glue. Seems to be holding down pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that is not part of the Auburn Lane collection, but this pink paper is, and that is what I'm going to use to map my photo on. And the photo is, and this layout is about my little grand dog. Her name is Bailey. She lives with my daughter. And she is the funniest little thing. The world revolves around her. I know we have dogs that um, they think that they're human. And this is a perfect example. She does. She thinks she's human. And she thinks that everyone is around to see her. And so whenever my daughter gets the camera out, this little dog poses. So here she is posing. And so I'm going to title this Perfect Model. And look, once again, I'm using these chipboard, what is it, floral alpha. And it looks really good on the black because I knew that you needed a dark background to put those on for them to stand out. Now, I haven't used any of these floral pieces from the Floral Ephemera pack, and they are so beautiful. I just had to use them. So that is what I'm doing. I'm just going to kind of audition things and see how I like it. I go through it and I just pull the things that I like. And I'm going to just make it work. Now there's that little square piece that says wonderful, and that's over on the left-hand side. And there's that beautiful. Remember, I used that with a double page layout. I believe that's what it was. Maybe it was a different one. And I just couldn't get it to work. So it works good here. It is more of a accent. It is not the title of the page. I'm just pulling everything. If I like it, it goes on. And then I can reevaluate, readjust things and just kind of let's see how it's going to go. Now, I do end up using just one of the puffy stickers. It's going to go behind the little bunny. It's like a little floral spray so that he doesn't get lost in that houndstooth print. So I believe most everything is going to be flat. There's going to be a couple pieces that I'm going to put some foam tape on, that bunny on the left-hand side, as well as there's that little, it's like a burgundy color heart. That's also going to have some foam tape. I do use a sticker. I don't think I've shown those yet. I think it's a sticker. Let's see when we get there. So this is where the foam tape's going to go in this little red heart. And then over here on the right side, let's see. Let me get my layout in front of me here. All of that is going to be flat except for the pink heart. So I'm just trying to layer everything the way that I want it. So it's, somewhat balanced. I know it's not completely balanced, but I'm trying to make room for my title because I know that I'm going to add the word perfect in there. So I've got to leave enough space. I do glue those down with the chipboard. Yeah, you have to glue it down with the art glitter glue. They will come up, I promise. I promise. So I went to my stash and I got the Ellie Studio Pink Alpha. I love this size alpha. It is absolutely the perfect size. It's, I would call it like a medium size. I have smaller alpha than this. So it is a nice medium size and I have all the colors. And so I can, it was easy for me to just go pick out the pink one. I could have chose any color. They had gray. I mean, I have gray, but I wanted the pink because it would stand out perfectly on this black cardstock. Normally I would use my tweezers to put this on, but for some reason I decided to do it with my fingers. It's looking good. I'm liking this so far. That is where I put down some of the hearts. They're a rose gold color and they're foil hearts. And those were from, I believe they were from the sticker sheet. So here are the little puffy hearts. I've got some pink ones. I don't think I have any gold ones on this one. And then here's the sequins. Those are also from the collection. I've got some pink and some, I wouldn't call those rose gold, even though I think that's what they're intended to be. And they pop on this black. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, I use my Distress Collage Medium to glue them down. You'll be able to see all of this in the close-ups. I have some close-ups here at the end. Appreciate you guys, following me, being a subscriber and watching my videos. I so enjoy it. I've been trying to post a couple of videos a week. I miss it since I've started back to school. I was doing 2 or 3 videos a week, but I dwindled down to one, and I think I'm going to try to bump it back up to 2 just because I miss it so much. Okay, here's the close-ups, guys. You have an awesome day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.